Hey guys, just a quick unboxing of the Dynex computer toolkit. And I got this because I'm always searching for tools around my house when I'm trying to upgrade or downgrade my computers. I can never find certain tools. So this just allows me to have all my tools in one place in my bedroom. So yeah, just the tools. Got into this quite a lot of tools. And the back tells you what all the tools are. And then you all go in this little case. Then Dynex registered trademark of Best Buy. And yeah, so to open it up, it kind of just has this all around. So you should just be able to pull it up. And so piece of paper on the back where I told you what that is. Then we have the back of the leather case. So we tilt it forward. So the toolkit, and then closes. So right here we have this thing for compartments for screws, and it does come with some screws and such. And then we have washers, adapters for the socket for your screwdriver, Allen wrenches or hex keys, and the anti-static wrist strap, screwdriver, needle nose pliers, wire stripper. And then we have the IC extractor, flashlight, and tweezers. And then right here is just an extension for the screwdriver. And then a reversible mini screwdriver. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, it seems like a good little computer toolkit. And it's pretty good because I'll have all my tools in one place when I do upgrade and downgrade my computer. So yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe.